Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a compact yet powerful device for LoRa enthusiasts. The 2-pack 915 MHz LoRa antenna indoor with 3 dBi gain is specifically designed for mesh-tastic long-range networks. If you've ever struggled with achieving reliable indoor LoRa communication, these antennas might be the solution you've been looking for. Straight out of the box, these antennas come in a tidy package. Each pack includes two 915 MHz antennas, two IPEX extension cables, along with nuts, flat washers, and toothed washers for secure installation. The antennas are a sleek black, measuring approximately 10 centimeters in length. Their design is simple yet functional, with an omnidirectional pattern that allows for 360-degree signal coverage. This makes them perfect for indoor or wall-mounted nodes where signal directionality is less predictable. Now let's talk specifications. They feature a standard 50 ohm impedance and a standing wave ratio of less than 1.5, which ensures minimal signal reflection and efficient transmission. Keep in mind that orientation matters slightly. If you tilt the antenna at a 90-degree angle, the SWR can increase, but in general, they perform well for indoor use. A standout feature is their 3 dBi gain, which provides a balance between signal strength and coverage area. While not the highest gain available, it's sufficient for most indoor mesh-tastic nodes, helping maintain consistent connectivity without creating overly narrow beams. The antennas are bendable, giving some flexibility in positioning, and the included extension cables allow for convenient mounting, even in tight spaces or tricky configurations. Installation is straightforward. The antennas come with SMA male connectors, which thread directly into most LoRa boards like the 32 Spanish pesetas OLED LoRa. The bulkhead mounting hardware ensures that once attached, the antennas stay firmly in place. This extension cables provide extra reach, so you can position the antenna optimally without moving your entire node. This is especially handy when setting up indoor networks in multi-room environments. Another important aspect is the build quality. These antennas are manufactured by a brand dedicated to producing high-precision, stable antenna tools. The materials feel durable, and the design is minimal but reliable. The compact size and flexible structure make them easy to handle, install, and integrate into your existing LoRa setup. They're not intrusive, and they don't require any specialized mounting tools or modifications. For indoor LoRa applications, especially when using mesh-tastic networks, these antennas are designed to maximize connectivity within walls and across short distances. While they won't provide the range of larger 10 dBi outdoor antennas, their 3 dBi gain is ideal for boosting signal without overconcentration, making them well-suited for homes, offices, or small-scale mesh deployments. The extension cables allow you to hide the antennas out of sight while still maintaining effective coverage. To summarize, the 2-pack 915 MHz LoRa indoor antenna with 3 dBi gain offers a solid mix of performance, flexibility, and ease of use. Their omnidirectional design, compact build, and included accessories make them a practical choice for anyone looking to enhance their mesh-tastic LoRa setup indoors. With reliable connectivity, simple installation, and a thoughtful design, these antennas are a dependable option for your LoRa network. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're building a small indoor LoRa network and want a hassle-free solution, these antennas are definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. We'll see you next time.